what does Format Painter doing in here? So Format Painter is a little bit tricky, and it does the job of it's really all in one. So you do style text in here. For example, I do style this text and I style it and I make it really beautiful. I make it cool. So I wanted to apply to another text. So that's paint format comes from. Okay. For example, let's go ahead and choose the font in here, like this font, Common Sans MS, and make it bold. And right now, I want to make heading 3 heading number 1. So I go to paint format, and I select it. So right now, we have the same style as heading number 1. So that is it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, all of that. So this was it. And right now, we can also zoom in and zoom out our page. We can zoom in here, 50%, 75%, 90%, 100, and 125, 150, and 200. We can also go fit. So whenever you go fit, it's almost fit to your page, and it's readable, and you can read it anytime. So let's go with it. 75% or 100 is 90% is, or 100 is better. 100 is better, and it's as an ideal choice for everyone, for everything.